Hey guys, this is Andy. I'm the founder of Olive Auto Parts. We have 7 years sourcing for high quality auto parts for customers abroad. So do you have the problem of sourcing high quality auto parts, checking the quality and get a reasonable price? Some of our customers growing so fast with our help of sourcing and quality inspection. They begin their business from $10,000 of revenue per year. Now they have grown to $1 million revenue per year. Of course, you can do all these stuffs on your own. But if you want to make your business easier and grow your business faster, we are always on your service. Factory audit, packaging, and shipment. We have 1,000 square meters warehouse for checking quality for our customers and changed to their custom package. So this is what we can do. We can help you source hard to find high quality auto parts in China, and we can do all the following: do quality inspection, new item development. So send us an inquiry and let us know what part you are looking for. We will support you in China. Thank you.
Okay, if you like the video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you next time.